Last seen by an ATM camera checking into Lisa's house. Tapping the hotel security camera. Room 215.
Okay. Let's do this.
You transmitting?
You bet.
You alone? Can't tell.
Hey, how about we start a new tradition, and for each job, we give each other good luck kisses.
How about I punch you in the throat instead?
How about you stop putting salt in my games? Mind your own business.
Hey, Frizzy.
What are you two doing here?
Saving your bacon, that's what.
Does it look like my bacon needs saving? Wait, how'd you find me? I paid cash everywhere.
Only 2 hotels in a 20-mile radius. We pay cash too. Just more.
Pretty quick.
Chrissy, where's your dad?
Dead. Well, let's do this again. Like, never. Now go. You got this.
We who? You got what?
The vampires.
Sorry, what?
We're in. Room's clear. Nobody here but a baby.
Son of a bitch. You call an ambulance.
Ambulance on its way.
She's in shock. I'll stabilize her. We'll leave her here for the paramedics.
How'd you drop him so quickly?
Darts filled with dead man's blood.
What's the blue van?
What blue van?
The blue van, you say bolting it too. Never mind.
Wait, stop! This is not your kill.
What are you talking about?
3 months ago, this bloodbanger snuck into her house and killed 3 people in their sleep.
What? No, I didn't do that.
One was a woman. Never hurt anyone. The other 2